Okay, I'm underneath the Jeep, and the Dilly Whopper thing is super tight on this tire. So I'm not quite sure how to get it to loosen. Other than banging on it with a hammer, which probably is not the best choice. So I got to give this some thought. I guess I'll go into YouTube and see what I need to do. But yeah, see that? That booger is on there tight, which is good. You know, it's good because it keeps the tire secure. But man, I don't know how I'm going to do this. But I'm destined to do it myself. But we'll see. We will see.